almost 9 in the morning, so if I sound tired, it's because I am. So I'm just showing you guys the house one more time before the movers take all the furniture and it's gonna be completely bare. It's crazy, so here's what it looks like right now. So the truck finally arrived. I actually had my mom film these little moving clips because I was at work when they finally got there that morning. But guys, we had so many boxes. It was insane. Okay guys, so this is the progress on my room. I just came home from work, so my mom got some footage of the movers. But this is literally it. I have to pack the stuff in my car and that is a wrap. Yeah, this is getting real, guys. Got to the house to move some stuff. It's real, people. I'm so tired already and I haven't even got all the stuff out of my car. Like, y'all look at my car. Yeah, ridiculous. Guys, this is the progress. So I have my bin of shoes, just looking crazy. My room so far, literally crazy as hell. Still got work to do. I look crazy. I just got off work, so I'm literally just as panicked as I look. Okay? Take you through the process. So there's definitely still things to be done, but I feel like we're making progress really, really fast, guys. We already got what's most important.
You played that boy.
Okay, y'all, let me get back to my room. So I just want to pop in again and talk to y'all real quick. So this is like day three or 4 of moving. I'm not probably gonna label these days. I'm probably just gonna like run it together as one vlog because that'll just make my head hurt more than all this stuff is making my head hurt. So yeah, this is over the period of like a week, just so you know, because this won't be done. This house, this room, it's not gonna be done by the time this video goes up. So I'm gonna hit y'all with an official house tour. So if you're trying to like figure out what the house looks like through this video, you're doing it wrong, sis. There's a whole video for that. So stay tuned for the house tour if you want to see what the house really looks like. I am going to show you guys like my area and some of the areas that are cleaned once they're done, but I'm not going to show too much. You know what I mean? Save it for another video. We're going to stretch this out a little bit longer. Okay? Okay. So this is how things are going, guys. I have my best friend, Alex.
You got the purple pants.
So generously helping me. Not the purple pants. But yeah, guys, I am making progress. My bed is here. So I'm getting different comforters. Like this room is literally gonna transform. Okay, guys, I'm giving up for the day. This is where we end tonight. I might pick up some more stuff here and there. I'm gonna clear off the bed. But as far as the closet, I mean, we're getting somewhere. It's not where I wanted to be yet. I don't have a shower curtain, so I get to use this luxurious shower. I'm excited. My shower rod is up. Last night, as you guys saw, I got to shower in my parents' room. So my shower rod is here, so I'm going to put all of this stuff together. Dang, we're gonna do the liner. So I'm going to put all of this stuff up real quick and then I'm gonna be able to take a shower. I'm really excited, guys. I feel like my room is almost complete. Not aesthetically, but you know, for needs. For needs, it's complete. come back to y'all when this is done. This taking a little minute trying to record. Okay, guys, this is how it turned out. But this is actually kind of like a huge fail. So basically, the problem is this shower liner doesn't even cover the bath. So yeah, super cool. No, but for real. And my curtains, they're really, really, really long. So yeah, gotta figure that out real quick. Okay, guys, so I'm actually back at the old house. I just got off of work. Every single day that I've made these videos, y'all, I've been in my uniform, and I hate that, but I'm a working girl, so it is what it is. But anyway, I forgot some lights, so I'm gonna take my lights down because that's literally the only thing left in this room. I'm glad that my mom reminded me because I was like, girl, I don't have anything over here. And she's like, the lights. So yeah, I'm gonna take the lights down, and let me give y'all one last walkthrough of the house. All right, guys, so this is actually the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this crazy process. I recorded as much as I could. If you've ever moved, you know how stressful that really is, and it's just a lot. But I'm so happy that we were able to get moved in comfortably. I'm so sad about leaving our house. We've been in that house for over 10 years. We built it from the ground up, so it's a really, really special home to us, and it's just really weird for me to think about anybody living in that house that's not us, but I am excited for a new beginning, and I'm super excited to show you guys what our new house looks like. And yes, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you already haven't, make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what you're excited for in 2022, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.